Alright guys, so I have here 2 Cornish hens, and before I season them I want to go ahead and stuff them with some onions, bell pepper, garlic, and what else do I have in here? Celery. Something that I like to do is I like to season my vegetables. So I'm going to be seasoning these vegetables with some Creole seasoning, garlic powder, and a little bit of black pepper. And that's just to give it a little just to give it, a little something extra. To me, it just makes the Cornish hens taste that much better. And obviously you don't have to do this, you can skip this step, but I do encourage you guys to give it a try. So we're going to be adding in the Creole seasoning. This is about 1/4 teaspoon that I'm adding in, and this is some garlic powder I just put in there. And a little bit of black pepper. Oh, and I almost forgot, I am going to be adding just a pinch of red pepper. Nothing too crazy. Just gonna give this a stir. And that's it. That's how it looks. And we're gonna be using this to stuff the Cornish hens. Okay, so now I'm gonna be cutting off some of the excess skin. And once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna rinse them off really good with water and just make sure everything is good to go before I start stuffing them. Alright, so I'm just going to be using a butter knife to poke a few holes. Alright guys, so I have here a 9 by 12 inch glass baking dish, and I'm going to be using this to bake the hens. But first I'm going to spread a little bit of olive oil at the bottom and going in with a paper towel just to kind of spread it around evenly. So of course I seasoned both sides. For this side I'm using 1 teaspoon of seasonings. But once I flip it over, I'm going in with 1/4 teaspoon of seasonings. Alright, so now I'm going to be covering this with some foil, and we're going to put this in the oven on 380 degrees for about 35 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 30 minutes. Now it's time to remove the foil. I'm going to flip the birds and place them back in the oven uncovered for another 35 minutes. It is all done, guys. It's looking so delicious, and it tastes really delicious as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to check out my next video. Hit that notification bell, guys, so you don't miss it. All right, have a good day, guys. Toodles.